Welcome to another episode of Quarantine Corner. I am your host, Miss Huntington. This is where we try to get Mr. Prez Luna to talk about science. Let's see what he has for us today. While we wait for him, I'm actually in my mom's garage now. Decided to quarantine with family, so this is a slightly different setting. I'm in New Hampshire, and it is supposed to start snowing in an hour or two. Oh, hey. How's it going, Perez?
Going well.
Yeah. How's your book? You still on page 18?
Miss Huntington, I can't hear you.
Oh no. Can you hear me now? Oh, no. All right. Got it off mute. Technical difficulties. Hard to find those buttons.
Yeah.
So how's your book? Are you done with page 18 yet?
Yes, I'm on page 60 out of 450.
Okay, not bad. Making progress. Maybe you'll finish it by the end of the summer. Oh, I also have to tell you, so I'm in my mom's garage now, and it is fly city up here, which I want to say just because I know Bethlehem and Molly are going to be watching this and love bugs.
Ew.
I've already had to kill, I think 14 is the tally that I'm at. 14 flies, Molly, you heard that? You would love it up here. Okay, so Perez, what kind of science do you have to talk to us about today?
Sharks.
Ah, perfect. Molly had asked about sharks, so that's it. That's a good topic. All right. Do you want me to ask you questions, or you have something prepared for us?
I have something prepared, but what I can have you all help with is this little doodad. Ready? Get your little sharks ready.
Okay, they're ready. Oh no. Nothing's happening for us.
Wait, you can't hear it?
No. But I should have just let that go on for a little while. Wait, make it work. Well, how come it's not working?
I was playing Baby Shark.
Yeah, clearly. We got that from the disc.
Man, I'm so bummed you couldn't hear that. That's so weird.
Play it off your phone. Although, actually, maybe for the sake of parents everywhere, don't play it.
Yeah, you're right. We can just get right into the presentation.
All right. It was a good idea, though.
How do I can show my screen, right?
Yeah, go try it. I don't know. We're still working out the tech on this distance learning thing.
Yeah, I don't see. Oh, present now.
5 hours later.
Oh,
And should be those little dots. You got it? Okay. Oh, not the dots.
Wait.
I should say
I'm about
present
to do
now.
it in 3, in 2, in 1. I just have to choose which. There we go. Okay.
Ah, nice.
Okay, do you see it?
Oh, yeah, that's amazing for us.
Okay.
Did you spend all weekend on this?
Huh?
Did you spend all weekend on this?
Yeah, I worked really hard, so please go easy on me.
That's great. Okay, good.
Okay. Today we're going to learn some quick things about sharks. All right? Wait, how do I... Okay. Okay, so what's up with all these sharks anyway? They're just in our waters, eating fishies, and sometimes people, they think they're so cool. They're actually really cool, so let's see what's up. Here are the facts. I picked 5 juicy facts about sharks.
Nice.
Okay, fact number 1, they don't have any bones.
What?
And that doesn't mean that they're just a big bowl of jello jiggling around. What that means is that their structure in their body is actually made out of cartilage. So if all of you touch try not to touch your face because corona, but your ears and the stuff that makes up your nose, that's what makes up a shark. So if you touched one, you wouldn't feel a hard bone, but you would feel this material instead.
Oh, that's so weird.
They can still fossilize though, so when we see fossilized shark bones, we think they might be bones, but it's actually just fossilized cartilage.
Ooh, we love fossils. Good fact.
Okay, next one. Fact 2, sharks have incredible eye vision. So I think there's nothing scarier in the world than deep water, but think about dark, deep water and sharks swimming all around you.
Oof.
You might not be able to see them, but they can see you.
Wait, also pause.
Yes.
They have incredible eye vision. What is the other type of vision?
Okay, you know what, Miss Huntington? These are stressful times. I don't need you harassing my language.
All right, next.
Fact 3. Shark skin feels similar to sandpaper. So if you've ever worked on a project where you had to sand a piece of wood or something, that's how rough their skin feels. So in this picture, you see a scuba diver giving this little cute shark a belly rub.
Ew, there's no such thing as a cute shark. Gross.
Okay, take a look. It looks like a cute little shark. It's probably hurting his hands a lot because they have really rough skin.
That's a good fact. I didn't know that one.
Mm-hmm. Fact number 4 is my favorite one. Ready? Okay. Sharks first started swimming in our oceans 455 million years ago. That means that at the same time that sharks, dinosaurs, and Miss Huntington were going to school, it's because they were all alive at the same time. So
was I riding my bike to school 455 million years ago?
Yeah, because you're old, Miss Huntington.
Also, that's super insensitive because my bike got stolen. So don't talk to me about my bike right now.
Awkward. Yeah, that's right. I forgot your bike got stolen.
Oh, they're so old. Wow.
So anyway, they were alive when dinosaurs were alive. So that's kind of a crazy thing to think about, is that sharks have lived as long as dinosaurs have. I mean, dinosaurs went extinct, but our sharks are still in our oceans.
Just for science's sake, just want to clarify, bikes were not invented back then. Okay. All right, move on.
Yeah, we haven't found any bike fossils yet.
Ooh.
Last one. Each whale shark's spot pattern is as unique as a fingerprint. So there's these giant types of sharks called whale sharks. They're really big. If you can look at this picture, they're like many, many times the size of that little human scuba diver.
Whoa.
And what's cool is each one of the spots that it has is just as unique as each of your fingerprints. So if you look at your fingerprints, every single one is different, and it's everybody's fingerprints are different. So that's how we can also catch criminal whale sharks is by getting their spot prints.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe next show is like CSI sharks. CSI whale sharks.
Yeah, they commit a lot of crimes, apparently. Yeah. So.
Hey, that was actually pretty good, Perez. Like, I don't like to say nice things about Perez. It's a hard thing for me to do, but maybe he could be a science teacher. I don't know.
Are you kidding me? I'd be the world's best science teacher.
Okay. All right. Calm down. All right. Any last things to share with anybody?
No. I think,
any new tips about washing our hands, or is that still the same as last week?
No, yeah, still wash your hands. Still don't lick other people. Still don't touch your face.
All good tips.
And just stay indoors. We're in it for a while.
Okay, wait. Pause. We can still go for walks, can't we?
Yes, as long as you're still staying away from people.
Or like
don't go to a crowded park. Don't go to a crowded place like the river or something.
Okay.
Just stay away from other people.
Have you broken Brooks' 5-mile record recently, or are you still waiting on that?
I will have Brooke know that I still have not beat his record. I'm working on it.
Brooke, killing it. All right. Okay, thanks, Perez. Talk to you later.
Welcome. I hope everyone's okay. I'll talk to y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. Do your science homework, do your math homework, and I will talk to you tomorrow.